Welcome to this Photoshop tutorial. In this video, we'll explore powerful tools like Generative Expand, Generative Fill, Content-Aware Fill, and the Remove tool. Discover how to edit, enhance, and transform your images with ease. Let's dive in. Let's start with Generative Expand. I'll take an image with square dimensions and convert it to a rectangular dimension. First, select the Crop tool from the Tools panel or simply press C on your keyboard. Then expand the canvas to the sides you want, either left or right. To expand symmetrically from the center, hold down the Alt key on Windows or the Option key on Mac and drag from either the right or left corner. Once you're satisfied with the dimensions, go to the tool options on the top and change the Fill Background default to Generative Expand. Press Enter or Return. Now, watch the magic unfold. Photoshop's AI will automatically generate new content to fill the expanded area, seamlessly matching the original image. On the right side, you'll see multiple variations in the Generative Fill panel. Pick the one that fits your vision best. Don't forget to check the Layers panel. The expanded content is placed on a separate layer, keeping your original image intact. It's incredibly intuitive and efficient. Next, let's use Generative Fill to add more elements to the image. Select the Lasso tool from the Tools panel or press L on your keyboard. Draw a selection around the area where you want to add new content. Right-click on the selection and select Generative Fill. Type your prompt into the Generative Fill input box. Let's say I want to add a tiger drinking water. Enter the prompt and press Enter or Return. In just moments, Photoshop's advanced AI generates realistic content for you. You'll also see multiple options to choose from, just like with Generative Expand. If you're not satisfied or want more options, simply click the Generate button. It will provide you with additional variations. Each time you click, Photoshop uses AI to generate unique suggestions based on your selection and prompt. This opens up endless creative possibilities for adding elements, removing objects, or enhancing details. Adjust your selection or refine your prompts for more precise results. Experiment and discover what works best for your project. Let's try something different this time. I want to add a palm tree here. I'll repeat the same process. Draw a selection using the Lasso tool. Then right-click on the selection and choose Generative Fill. I'll enter the prompt in the input box and see what results we get. Sometimes, it may take a few seconds to a few minutes depending on the complexity. Generative Fill can work faster if you have a good CPU. Keep in mind, to use these AI features in Photoshop, you need a licensed version of the software and a stable internet connection. Now, let's add some flying birds. This time, I'll use the contextual task bar instead of right-clicking. You can choose either method based on your preference. With each prompt, the AI enhances the image seamlessly. Generative Fill is not only great for creative experimentation, but also a massive time saver for real-world editing projects. The contextual taskbar appears near the selection, but if it feels distracting, you can easily reposition it. Just click on the bar, drag it to the bottom, and pin it. Once pinned, it stays fixed in the position you choose. If you're new to Photoshop, I recommend experimenting with this feature on different images. It's a fantastic way to practice and discover how this advanced AI tool can transform your creative workflow. You might confuse the Content-Aware Move tool with Content-Aware Fill, so let me clarify. Take this image as an example. If you want to move an electrical pole to another side, you can use the Content-Aware Move tool. Simply make a selection around the pole. Drag it to the desired location, and Photoshop will handle the rest, filling the original area with surrounding content. But if your goal is to remove the pole and wires entirely, here's what to do. Use a selection tool, like the Marquee tool or Lasso tool, to highlight the area you want to remove. Go to Edit and click on Content-Aware Fill. Photoshop will intelligently fill the selected area with content from the surrounding image. If you're happy with the result, click OK. Check the Layers panel, and you'll see the filled area created on a new layer, making it easy to compare or refine further. There's another great tool in Photoshop to remove unwanted objects from your image. Let's look at this picture of a boy taking a photo in front of the Eiffel Tower, but there are some distracting objects in the frame. To use the Remove tool, first, select it from the toolbar. It's part of the Spot Healing Brush tool. You can also use the shortcut Shift plus J to cycle through the healing tools and then select the Remove tool. Next, click and drag over the area you want to remove. Once you release the mouse, watch as the object is seamlessly removed and filled with the surrounding background. The Remove tool is a quick and powerful way to erase unwanted objects from your images. With just a simple click and drag, you can seamlessly remove distractions like wires, bins, or stray objects, leaving the background looking natural and untouched. You can adjust the brush size for better precision by using the open and close brackets on your keyboard. It's incredibly efficient and saves a lot of time compared to manual editing. The best part is, you don't need to tweak any settings. Just select, drag, and watch the magic happen. This tool is perfect for cleaning up your images. Once you're done removing objects, you can check the before and after difference. Go to Window and select History. This panel shows each of your actions. Click on the first step and the last step to compare the changes. I encourage you to explore this tool and practice removing objects from images. This will be really helpful for your real-time projects. Transform your images effortlessly, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.